Find the derivative of the function g of x equals the square root of x times ln of x. Observe that this is a product, u times v, where we know that the derivative of u times v, the derivative of the product uv is u prime times v plus u times v prime. So we break it down to two factors, where u is the square root of x and v is therefore ln of x. U times v has to be the entire given function for us to use the product rule. U prime, the derivative of the square root of x, is 1 over 2 root x. V prime, the derivative of ln of x, is 1 over x. Putting these together, we have g prime of x equals u prime is 1 over 2 root x times v ln of x plus, don't forget there are two terms in the product rule, u, which is the square root of x, times v prime, but v prime is 1 over x. Simplifying this, we have ln of x over 2 square root of x plus the square root of x over x. Technically, the square root of x over x can be simplified further, so we have ln of x over 2 root x plus, keep in mind that x to the 1/2 is the square root of x, and so if we have the square root of x over x, it is x to the 1/2 over x to the 1, but this has the same base, so this is 1/2 minus 1, which is x to the negative 1/2, or 1 over the square root of x. So the square root of x over x is the same as 1 over the square root of x. Notice that there is common factor square root of x, so we would find the common denominator by multiplying 2 top and bottom of the term 1 over the square root of x. This allows us to combine these two fractions into one. The denominator is now 2 the square root of x, and the numerator is 2 plus ln of x, where instead of writing ln of x plus 2, we write 2 plus ln of x to avoid any ambiguity. We simplify this only if we want to. If the question asks us, do not simplify the answer, we would just leave the answer in this form.